Tegan, leave her alone. Kiwi, Sikkim. Sikkim. How did you guys get so interesting? You just sit there and you're scared of a bunny. And Tegan is the most intelligent creature on earth. Did she pee? Are you licking her pee? Do you know that I hate you? Kiwi. Kiwi baby. I love you. I like you too. Don't lick me though. Where's my bunny? Where are you going? Oh, look, they're meeting under the film. Hi, baby. Come here. Come here. Get off of me, Tina. Come on. Come here. She peed somewhere. I hate both of you. Oh my god. Oh my god! Okay. Bunny.